Still sleeping on a moldy RV mattress? Yeah, that moment you lift it up and see mold underneath? It's the stuff of nightmares. Not only are you scrubbing mildew with your fourth bottle of cleaner, now you're shelling out hundreds for a new mattress too. Yeah, that's a hard pass. And that's exactly why Safoner made this breathable mattress underlay. No more hacking away at stiff plastic pads with scissors. No more snagged sweaters or scratchy edges. This 3D mesh fabric keeps air flowing and moisture out with clean edges and zero hassle. The anti-slip texture adds grip, and the rounded corners with finished binding look clean and neat. The thickness is just right elevated enough to do the job without adding bulk. It's soft, foldable, and totally quiet. Plus, the elastic straps at all four corners hold it tight to the mattress so it doesn't shift around, even in RVs, boats, or any space that's constantly on the move. Comes in 4 RV-friendly sizes: full, short queen, short king, and RV king. No cutting, no drama. Just lay the underlay flat on your bed platform. Then stretch each strap over the corners of your mattress. That's it, installation done in under a minute. In 60 seconds, you've already started protecting your sleep and your health. Full bound edges, rounded corners, breathable design. Moisture control made simple, right out of the box. If you live life on the road or the water, this one's for you. Upgrade your underlay. Tap the link and save with the code.